Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. We now have the next stage of the Eagle Moss fan home, build the Delorean. We're doing a little bit more than we did the last couple of issues, so there's a couple of things to do. We just have the vents for the exhaust cowling. However, we are actually going to be adding that to the reactor platform. So I've got the reactor platform, the cowling, and the parts for this magazine. So without further ado, let's get building. Right, so this is what we've got this time around. We've just got these little vents and another pipe, and we've got some FP screws and some NP screws. Right, now all of these are numbered. We have this one, you can just see just there, we've got a number 1. We have number 2, and we have number 3. And we're going to be adding them into the cowling here, and we're going to be going 1, 2, 3 all the way down. We're going to use the NP screws to secure these in place as well. And they've got like little notches here, and this is just going to sit over those notches like so, and then lining up the holes on the side, we've just got the 2 NP screws either side for that. And that's the first one in, looking just like that. I'm going to now follow that up with number 2, and that goes in the same way. Again, some more NP screws for that one. And I'll just tighten the rest of it up. And then we have this one going in. Now this one is only being held by 2 screws, one on each side. And it's quite a loose fit, so it's not going to hold itself in like the other ones have. So we get that one in there. And then we'll line this one up. Get that one in there. Like so. We now have our pipe here, and we're going to be placing that in that hole just on the side. Like so. And then we have the opportunity to place this on here. We've got some holes here, which all these pipes are going into that we placed last time. So we're just going to slide that on and try and line up all of these holes with those pipes, as well as lining up the cowling with the 3 holes that you can see on this side, but also on this side. Right, so that's in there. It's not a brilliant fit, if I'm honest, between that pipe, that union there, and this one here. But that is how it looks. And we're going to flip it over, and as I say, we've got 3 screw holes there, and they're going to be the FP screws. So they're now loosely in there. And now we're just going to tighten those down. And now we have a couple of other items to do. We have the pipe we added on earlier, that's going to go into the hole just there. And I'm just going to use my pair of tweezers for that. So that one's now pushed fully in. I'll just line that up like that. And then we've got this black cable here, and that's just going to go into the other hole on the back of the exhaust cowling, just like so. And that is all there is to do in that stage. So that is what it's looking like now. It's looking pretty good with that on there. So the next couple of stages we're going to be doing the same thing on this side. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. So that's not too bad, is it? We actually managed to do some more work this time than we have in the last couple of issues. And it is looking absolutely brilliant. So the vents are on there now. Just obviously got the lower part to go on there for that part. But that would be once it's on the car. It certainly is taking shape, and it reminds me each day that I'm getting closer and closer to the end of this build, which is absolutely fantastic, considering at one point we thought we'd never finish it. If you want to see how it progresses and when the finished model comes out, please do remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell, then you'll be notified when I release a new video. In the meantime, check out the merch store and get yourself a modelling shirt, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Cheers.